Hi everyone, welcome to me and my world YouTube channel. If you like this video, please share to others. You are the new viewer, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for getting all updates. And in this channel, we are trying to explain lot of topics like MS Excel and MS Word, basics of MEP and kids activities, and software courses like Tableau and general topics. So for easy access of all courses, we organized the playlist in systematic manner. Today we are going to learn how to compare two multiple Excel files in at a time. So everyone want to compare the some two files data. So from this file to this file we are using to compare the data means. So for this there is a shortcuts available. So generally everyone use the tab by selecting this Excel to this Excel. So using the tab control tab. So all tab we are using for the checking this file and this file data. So other way we are using to shortcut here. So below ribbon, if you want to right click on this, so go to this cascade window. So here toolbars, a lot of toolbars is there. So here you can select the cascade window. So for the selecting the cascade window, see all the tabs are minimized. So then if you want small the file and select the other file, and this file also, if you want how much data, where is the data is available, make a small file and make it besides both the files. Okay. So check. So like this, if you make it two files in between the besides the one file after one file, and see here I need to check this file data and this data. So comparing comparison of this file and this file is very easy. Now we can able to compare the student names or date of birth. So apple to apple comparison will be done with less errors. So if you want to use the all tab means you want to read the entire sentence, and again go to that sheet and you have to see the sentence. So here if you can able to see this sentence, this data and this data in besides, you can able to easily compare the two Excel sheets. Thank you.